As early as this morning, believe it or not, I had an additional revelation of this Shreem Brzee as something that is born with every individual. You are born with this sound Shreem. Why? Because it is the sound of life. Every time you receive money, you receive joy. There is no one in the world that when he receives money who is not happy. So the sound of money is Shreem, but the sound of money is also the sound of life. That's why money is life. It sustains life. So this session, I just want to focus on this sound, Shreem. Shreem is the sound of life, the sound of the soul that will persist forever. It is not the breath, it is the soul itself. The soul itself is Shreem. And that is the soul is the one that gives you life, that allows you to breathe. And once you get to know about this more and more, then you can get to live that. And when you begin to live that, then it is easy for you to manifest. Because life itself is a manifestation. So Shreem itself is a manifesting energy. It's something very mechanical. If you just spend half an hour sending Shreem Brzee into your consciousness, then you will be filled with that energy, and that energy will attract wealth. Whether you have skills or whether you don't have skills, if you just want to live an abundant life, the sound is Shreem Brzee. They work together. Brzee is a sound that does two primary activities or functionalities. Br is a sound of birth. It gives birth. It is also the sound of removing your karma. Brzee gives birth to you. It's as if you are being reborn. That the sound can create is a higher science that all mystics down the centuries have known. If you go to the Bible, God created everything just by saying the word, let there be light, and light was there. Instead of saying that the word can create, and here we are telling you, syllables can create. Now, Cleem. Does Cleem only attract women? It does, regardless whether a man uses it or a woman uses it. But here, woman is understood by the yogis in terms of material wealth. A woman often stands for matter and material prosperity. So what that means is when you use Cleem, not only would you attract the female company, but also all material things. So as I have said, it is my intention to prove to the world that it works. All that is required on your part is just to commit to the practice. You have committing yourself to so many other seminars and workshops, trying to learn theories. But it is Shreem Brzee, that's not a theory. It is to go and understand life itself, to go and understand creation itself. Now chant with me. Shreem Brzee. Shreem Brzee. Shreem Brzee. Shreem Brzee. Shreem Brzee. Shreem Shreem Brzee, 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 Shreem Brzee. Now, Kleem Brzee. Kleem Brzee, 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 Kleem Brzee. God bless.